How to create Instagram close friends list. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today with how to make it. Let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Then click on your profile at the bottom right. Then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen, which will lead you to settings. In settings, scroll down and you'll find close friends. Click on it. You'll find all your friends. Simply select the people you want to add to your close friends list and press on Done at the bottom. After you do that, when you click on Close Friends, you will find all your friends that you just selected with a tick mark. After that, you're good to go. This is how to create Instagram close friends list. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.